Hello students, I am your maths teacher. In today's class, we are going to see about exercise 3.4. In exercise 3.4, we are going to see the sums based on factorization. So the first question is factorize by taking out the common factor. So they will be giving you a question. We are going to check how many terms we are going to have in that particular question, and we are going to take out, that is, we are going to have the combination of positive and negative sign, constant and variable. So what is the meaning of constant? Constant is nothing but numbers, variable is nothing but the alphabets. So in the first question, 18xy minus 12yz, if you see, I can take 6 table outside. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. If you see the alphabet x, y, y, z, y is common to both the terms. So totally you are having 2 terms. So from this I am just taking out, first I am taking out 3 table students, then I am taking 6y, or directly you can take it as 6y. So the remaining term here is 3x minus 2z. So in this case you cannot take anything common outside, and this is going to be your answer. Similarly, coming to the next question you are going to have, first you are going to check how many terms you are going to have. 1, 2, 3. So you totally are having 3 terms. In 3 terms, I am just first checking the numbers 9, 6, 18. All these 3 numbers go by 3 table. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18 students. So just I am taking 3 table outside. It is in the combination of x, y. Just I am going to check x to the power 5, x cube, x square. So x square I am going to take it out. The lowest power I am going to take it out. Similarly, y I am taking out students. The remaining I am writing inside. Coming to the third question if you see, totally I am having 2 terms. In these 2 terms, b minus 2c is common to both the terms. So just I am taking b minus 2c outside. The remaining is x plus y. So same way you are going to do the remaining 2 sums. Question number 9. 3y cube minus 48y. So from this I am taking 3y outside. The remaining term is y square minus 16 students. So y square minus 16 is nothing but I am going to use this formula, a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. That is y square I am writing it as y the whole square. 16 I am going to write it as 4 square. So it is of the form a square minus b square. In place of a I am having it as y. In place of b I am having it as 4. So a plus b into a minus b, that is 3y into y plus 4 into y minus 4. Coming to the 10th question, if you see the 10th question, totally you will be having 4 terms. So in case of 4 terms, you will be pairing 2 terms. So understand, wherever you are going to get 4 terms, it is better to pair 2 terms. That is, what is the meaning of pairing is, just I am going to put the bracket. First 2 terms I am putting the bracket students. Middle I am having negative, I am writing negative sign. When I am putting the bracket here, the middle sign will get changed here. Again, if you multiply this negative sign inside, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So after calculating, you will get this final answer. Second question, factorize. So x square plus 14x plus 49. This type of equation is known as quadratic equation. If your power is going to start with power 2 means it is called as quadratic equation, students. And this is a very important method of calculation. And this calculation you will be getting till your 12th standard. Important calculation. So if you understand this particular calculation, you can automatically complete most of the sums in your algebra. So x square plus 14x plus 49, just see the arrangement, you will be having only 3 terms. What I am going to do is PS, P means product, S is sum. First number and last number I will be multiplying with the sign. 1 into 49 plus 49 plus 14, I will be writing it as it is. Plus 49, I will be splitting in the form of table, students. 7 7s are 49. It must satisfy while I am multiplying, and while I am doing my addition and subtraction also, it must satisfy with the sign. So plus into plus, plus 49, plus 7 plus 14. So you have to do the calculation. You have to try the calculation, then only you will understand what is the method I am doing here. In place of plus 14x, I am going to write like this: x square plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. From where I am getting this plus 7 is, from this part I will be taking those two 7s, but I will not have x here. When I am writing in this place, I will be writing with x. That is, what is the meaning is 14x I am splitting in this way. So from this part I am just taking the value. If you see, I am splitting 49, but in which place I am writing here is plus 14x. So if you see here, x square plus 7x plus 7x plus 49 students, I told you if you are going to get 4 terms, you are going to put the bracket for the first 2 and 1, 2, you are going to put the bracket, and 3, 4, last 2 you are going to put the bracket. From this I am going to take the common factor outside, x into x plus 7 plus 7 table I am taking it outside students, x plus 7. So if after taking it, if you see again you will be having a common factor, that is x plus 7 will be common. Just you are going to take 1 x plus 7 outside into x plus 7. I am going to write like this. If you see both the values are same, just x plus 7 the whole square. So this is the method of doing the calculation for the remaining sums. You have to try the calculation. You have to work out and see it students. Then only you will understand the method of doing the calculation. So while you are splitting the product and sum, you will be getting 4 terms. After getting 4 terms, you are going to pair the terms, first 2 and last 2. Check the sign. From this first you will be taking the common factor outside. After taking second time also you will be having a common factor. You will be taking it outside students. Then you will be getting some answer according to the question. Students, that is 4x square minus 8x plus 3. First you are going to check x square, x constant. This type of equation is known as quadratic equation. So x square, x constant, quadratic equation model students. So I am going to take product and sum. 4 into 3, 12 plus 12, middle number minus 8, I am going to write it as it is. Plus 12, I am writing in this form, that is 6 2s are 12, minus 6, minus 2. Minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12. That is minus 6 minus 2. If you do by addition subtraction process, you will get the answer as minus 8. Minus 6 minus 2, in place of this I am going to split and write. While I am bringing inside the term, I will be writing x. Totally I am getting 4 terms here. After getting 4 terms, you are going to pair the terms. That is, I am just putting the first 2 I am putting it in bracket students, and the last 2 I am putting it in the bracket. From this 4x square minus 6x, I am taking 2x outside. 2x into 2x minus 3. If suppose I cannot take anything common outside, means I am going to take 1 out. That is, automatically you will be having 1 as a common factor. If you can't take any common, but 2x minus 3 means I cannot take anything common out. That means in this place you will be having 1 as a common factor. So keep that in your mind students, and this is a very important place. Again if you see 2x minus 3 is common. From these two terms I am taking 2x minus 3 outside into 2x minus 1. So this is the way of doing the calculation. The next one is third question. Factorize using this given formula. Left hand side equal to right hand side. They are given you the formula. The formula is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square a plus b cube. If you see your question, they are given you the right hand side part students. They are given you the right hand side part. They are asking you to find the question, that is a plus b the whole cube. They are asking you to find. Just I have done the rough work. First and last I am taking out the value students. After checking out the value, I am getting it as a equal to 4x and b equal to 3. In what way I am getting this particular value is 64x cube. 64 can be written as 4 cube x cube. 4 cube x cube can be written as 4x the whole cube. So this 4x belongs to a equal to 4x. Last one 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 3 the whole cube means inside what is the value? 3. This value 3 is nothing but b equal to 3. A equal to 4x, B equal to 3. Just I am writing the formula. In place of A and B, I am replacing the value, students. Then automatically I will be framing a question here. 4x plus 3 the whole cube, which is nothing but A plus B the whole cube. Question number 4. Factorize using A minus B the whole cube is equal to A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. Sometimes they will be giving you this formula, students, or they will not give you the formula. You have to be clear in which place you are going to apply this formula. So all the algebraic identities you must be clear, students, and you have to work out and see those algebraic identities. So coming to this question, right hand side they are given you this expression. So just I have done the rough work, students. From this I am just picking out that value A equal to y and B equal to 6. Expand the value. Automatically I am framing the question as y minus 6 the whole cube, which is nothing but A minus B the whole cube. Same way this sum also you are going to try it, students. If you try and see, the calculation is going to be easy for you. Remember one thing, you are going to take the first term and the last term. You are going to fix, from this you are going to fix the A cube value, and from this I am going to fix the B cube value. Then automatically you will get the values. You have to first find out A and B, then you have to do the remaining calculation. So in this class we have completed the sums based on factorization and some algebraic identities, students. So be clear, work out and see the sums. You are not going to byguard the sums. Work out wherever necessary, try the rough work, then do the calculation clearly, students, and take down neatly in your classwork note. Thank you.